Okay, my dear. So Alif has one style, this one.
Mhm.
Ba has
Yeah.
two, sometimes in this shape, sometimes in this, right? When
Yeah.
at the time of beginning will show like this, center of the word like this. Ta has how many shapes?
Two shape.
Ta
Star have four shape.
and sa.
It's star have two shapes.
Okay, now we are learning our new letter. New letter. Please choose color. Choose color, please.
New letter
Color,
is
color.
star.
Choose color.
Blue.
Blue. Oh, okay. This is blue color, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is this blue or green?
Green.
Green. Okay. Yeah, blue is there. So our new letter name is
Jeem.
Jeem has how many shapes are there?
Three shapes.
Yeah.
We
L-
had it before.
look
We
it
are
please.
reading her.
At the beginning, Jeem will show like this. Okay. Look this part. Only this part. And with one dot. Okay. At the time of
Yeah.
beginning.
What
And
about the other one?
listen please. When you will see at the center, then same will be, but there will be little bit like this. Can you see like this? But look there, like, okay, little spike. So this is Jim. When you will see at the end of the letter, then Jim will show like this in a complete shape. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Now we are finding our Jim. Look it please.
Okay.
um okay, Rabbi zidni ilma two times.
Rabbi zidni ilma.
Two times. One more please.
Rabbi zidni ilma.
Once more.
One big.
One more time
Rabbi
please.
zidni ilma.
Okay, look
Rabbi
it please.
zidni zid.
So this is now page,
Zid.
right?
Rabbi zidni
Ilma.
ilma.
Now we have to find Jim. Okay. So look
Okay.
it and try to find. Can you see letters? Pages? Okay.
Mm,
Jim. Where are you?
where are you? Pause. Pause.
Why Jim is
Pause.
not coming?
Yeah.
Is Jim
Wait.
angry with us?
Yeah.
Okay, look
Hey,
it please. In this page,
eating
no.
lunch.
Still, yes. Can you find please in this line?
Pause.
Where is that?
I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it. I
Color.
see a gold one.
Oh, color.
It's it's gold.
This one, gold color. Wow.
Hello. I found Jim.
Okay, if this first shape or third shape?
It's the first shape.
Yeah, first shape. Okay, look it please. Now please find another one.
Okay.
Look it please. In this box, can you see?
Yeah, this is Jim. I'm seeing it.
Yeah, is
Yeah,
this first, second, third?
it's first. It's I know that. That came from that.
If
The
this,
fourth one. The fourth. The fourth.
there are
The
three.
fourth. The fourth one. That's the
There,
fourth.
there are three shapes, not four.
Yeah.
So, third one or fourth one? Third, right?
Yes.
Third. Okay. Please look another page and now find here, Jim. Please find here.
Okay.
Find please in this box.
Mm-hmm.
Can you find Jim, please?
No.
In this
No.
box.
Yes, I found it.
Color, please.
Black.
Black. This is Jim, right? Is this first
Yes.
shape or third?
This is the first.
First. Very nice, mashallah. Okay, now we are going to the page 500. Maybe there will be Jeem.
100.
Yes, okay. Now please find here in a box. Can you find
I
in a box?
found it.
Okay,
I
is
found
this
it.
first or second?
This is first.
Look it, there is little bit spike connecting with a known. So this is second one, okay? With connection,
Mm-hmm.
with connecting. Can you see second one?
Mm-hmm.
There is a little spike turning left. Can you see this one? Top one there.
Yeah.
Okay, so like this. Mashallah. So Jim has three
3,
shapes.
6.
And same, Ha has three shapes and Kha has also three shapes.
3, 6.
Same will be Jim, Ha, Kha. Their shape will be same. But if there is one dot down, then is Jim. If there is no dot, then
There is ha.
if there is one dot up, then
That means it's ka.
well job. At the time of beginning will show like this. At the time of center like this. At the end like this. Is that clear?
Mm-hmm.
Just find please here Ha and Kha.
Ha and ha.
Yeah, look it. Can you try find in this box Ha or Kha?
Ha and ha.
Yeah, is there? Kha, Ha.
Ha. Ha.
Where is that? Find please. What is this letter?
This is ka.
Yes, Kha. Kha, second shape and
Ha.
first looks like the same. What is this letter?
Ha. I found it. Found ha.
Mashallah. One more, please. One more. One more.
Okay.
Find, please, Ha. In this
I'm
box.
seeing it. Okay.
What is
I'm
this?
seeing one. I'm seeing one. I'm seeing ha. I'm seeing
This one,
one.
right?
Yeah, I'm seeing the second one.
Where is that? Is this one?
Yeah.
Is this one?
Yeah.
Is this?
Yeah.
Are you talking about this letter?
Yeah.
Wow, there are a
All
lot
there.
of. There are a lot of Ha. Jim was difficult to find, right? But Ha is easy.
Yeah.
Interesting. MashaAllah. So Jim, Ha, Kha shapes now clear, right? Jim, Ha and
Mm-hmm.
Kha. These are
Jim
three,
and half.
yeah, relatives, right? Sisters or brothers. Okay, you can say whatever. And there are three shapes, okay? Don't forget it.